Have you ever wondered where everything came from, like, really thought about it? The vastness of space, the twinkling stars, the planets orbiting in perfect harmony, like everything. The stars, planets, even your awesome sneakers? It's all part of a grand cosmic story. Scientists have a theory about that, and it's called the Big Bang. This theory suggests that everything in the universe started from a single, incredibly dense point. It's like the biggest, most mind-blowing explosion ever. But instead of destruction, it created everything we know and love. Imagine an explosion so powerful that it set the stage for galaxies, stars, and planets to form. Now, hold on to your hats because this is where it gets really interesting. The Big Bang wasn't just a one-time event. It was the beginning of an ongoing expansion of the universe. Imagine if the Big Bang never happened. What would our universe look like? Would there be anything at all? What if our universe wasn't born from a massive explosion? What if it was always just an empty void, with no stars, no planets, no life? What would we have instead? Would there be any light in the darkness, or would it be an endless expanse of nothingness? Would there be stars twinkling in the night sky, or planets for us to explore? Would we even exist? It's a mind-boggling thought, isn't it? Let's dive into the mind-blowing world of what-ifs and explore the possibilities of a universe without a Big Bang. What other theories could explain our existence? Get ready for a cosmic adventure. We're about to embark on a journey through space and time, exploring the mysteries of our universe. Before we can blow up the Big Bang, figuratively of course, let's rewind a bit. Let's journey back to a time that defies our understanding, a time before the universe as we know it came into existence. Imagine a time before time itself, a place before space existed, a realm where the very concepts of time and space had no meaning, no form, no structure. It's hard to wrap our heads around, right? It's like trying to solve a puzzle with pieces that don't yet exist. It's like trying to imagine a color you've never seen before. A color that doesn't fit into any spectrum we know. Scientists believe that before the Big Bang, everything we know today, all the matter, energy, even time and space, was crammed into a tiny, incredibly dense point called a singularity. This singularity was a point of infinite density and temperature. Think of it like squeezing all the stuff in your messy room into a box the size of an atom. Imagine the unimaginable pressure and heat. This singularity was so unbelievably hot and dense that the laws of physics as we know them wouldn't have applied. The rules that govern our universe simply didn't exist in that state. It's a place of pure mystery and speculation. Scientists can only theorize about what this state was like, as it defies all conventional understanding. And then, in an instant, this singularity began to expand, leading to the birth of our universe. The Big Bang was the moment when everything changed, when time and space as we know them began. Now for the main event, the Big Bang. This monumental event marks the beginning of everything we know. Imagine that tiny, super-dense singularity suddenly exploding with unimaginable force. This singularity was incredibly hot and dense, containing all the matter and energy of the universe in a single point. Boom! Space itself began to expand rapidly like a balloon inflating at lightning speed. This expansion was not just matter moving through space, but space itself stretching and growing. The universe wasn't expanding into anything. Space itself was being created. This means that every point in the universe was moving away from every other point. As the universe expanded and cooled, energy converted into particles, forming the building blocks of everything we see around us. These particles eventually formed atoms, the basic units of matter. Over billions of years, gravity pulled these particles together, forming stars, galaxies, and eventually planets like our own. This process of cosmic evolution continues to shape the universe. Pretty cool, right? And guess what? We have evidence. Scientists have gathered a wealth of data supporting the Big Bang theory. Scientists have observed that the universe is still expanding today, and they've detected faint radiation left over from the Big Bang like an echo from the past. This radiation is known as the cosmic microwave background. It's like finding the universe's baby pictures. These images give us a glimpse into the early stages of the universe, helping us understand its origins and evolution. Okay, now for the mind-blowing part. What if that initial explosion, the Big Bang, never happened? What if the universe had a completely different origin story, or no origin story at all? It's like imagining a world without pizza or video games, almost impossible to comprehend. But scientists love to explore the what-ifs, and they've come up with some pretty wild alternatives. Some theories suggest that instead of a Big Bang, the universe might be static and unchanging, always existing in a steady state. Others propose the universe might be cyclical, expanding and contracting in an endless loop of big bangs and big crunches. It's like the universe playing a cosmic game of yo-yo. Section 5. A universe frozen in time. One alternative. Let's imagine for a moment that the universe never had a fiery, explosive beginning. What if it's always been here, a vast and unchanging expanse? This idea is called the steady-state theory. In this scenario, the universe would be eternal and unchanging on the largest scales. No beginning, no end, just an infinite expanse of stars and galaxies, forever frozen in time. It's like a cosmic photograph that never fades. But there's a problem. We know the universe is expanding. If it's always been the same, where does all the new space come from? That's one reason why the Big Bang theory is more popular these days. Section 6. Maybe a different bang? Another possibility. Okay, so maybe the universe didn't start with a bang, but what about a different kind of beginning? Some scientists propose a big bounce scenario. Imagine the universe constantly expanding and contracting like a giant cosmic heartbeat. In this model, the Big Bang wasn't the beginning, but just one stage in an endless cycle. The universe would expand for trillions of years, then gravity would slowly pull everything back together. Eventually, everything would squeeze back into that super dense singularity, only to explode outward again in another Big Bang. Talk about a cosmic roller coaster. Section 7. Life without the Big Bang, would we exist? Here's the biggest question of all. Without the Big Bang, would any of us be here to ponder the universe's origins? The answer is, maybe not. The Big Bang theory explains how the elements that make up everything we know, from the carbon in our bodies to the oxygen we breathe, were forged in the fiery hearts of stars. Without that initial explosion and the subsequent evolution of stars, the universe might be a very different and potentially lifeless place. No stars, no planets, no pizza. It's mind-boggling to think about. Of course, this is just speculation based on our current understanding of physics. The universe is full of surprises. Section 8. The universe, still full of mysteries. Even with the Big Bang theory, we're still scratching the surface of understanding the universe. What caused the singularity to exist in the first place? What happens inside a black hole? These are questions that keep scientists up at night. The point is, the universe is a vast and mysterious place. Whether it began with a bang, a bounce, or something we haven't even imagined yet, it's a source of endless wonder and exploration. There's so much more to discover. Section 9. Keep looking up. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you're seeing light that has traveled billions of years across the universe. Light that might hold clues to the universe's epic origin story. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never lose your sense of wonder. The universe is a pretty amazing place even without a giant explosion to kick things off.